and you all not singing, I will have ruined my bad reputation once and for all. It's a very easy song. You sing along. All you gotta do is sing the part, I ain't got no cigarettes, and King of the Road. You can sing as much as you want to, but those two are mandatory. And if you've never done this before, this song has been sung along in honky-tonks for the last 50 years, or more 55 years.
At least.
True story, this song was such a big hit for Roger Miller. Such a big hit for Roger Miller that it knocked the Beatles out of #1.
It sure did.
In England. Yeah, true story. This was...
So you have to sing those two lines, but also you have to snap your fingers.
Oh, that's true. Yeah, I'm sorry. There's a lot of...
We have hand clapping songs. This is a finger snapping song.
Alright, if you don't snap your fingers, sing along, and at least look happy, we will call security. Trailers for sailoring, rooms to let 50 cents. The phone won't blow on that cigarette.
There we go.
Over 2 hours of a pushing room by the 8 by 12 4-bedroom, and I'm a man of means by no means. Third box car, midnight train, destination Bangor, Maine. No worn out suit and shoes. I don't pay no union dues. I smoke old stogies that I have found. Short but not too big around. And I'm a man of means by no means. Sing it. I'm every engineer on every train, all of the children and all of the names. Every handout in every town, every lock that ain't locked and no one's around. I sing trailers for sailoring, rooms to let 50 cents. No phone, no phone, no best. What? About 2 hours of a pushing room, and I'm 8 by 12 4-bedroom, and I'm a man of means by no means. King of the road, one more time. King of the road. King of the road, don't you know? The road.